Hetty's giving birth to her egg for you. Ready? Ready? Oh! You're so lucky, Sebby. What do you think of that egg?
Nice.
Yeah, nice or not? Look at me.
Nice.
Nice and warm?
Yes.
Yeah. Hetty, thanks, sweetheart. Thank you for that little egg. Let me have a look. You show Hetty her egg. There we are. Hetty and her egg. How beautiful. Here at Forest Farm, Hetty has laid her egg into the hands of little Sebby. Do you feel proud?
Yes.
Yeah? Thank you, Hetty. Thank you very much for that beautiful warm egg. Here is Carly, waiting to give birth to an egg. Hello, Carly. This little bird, Carly, is now laying the egg straight into the palm of my hand. Oh, there it is. Thank you, Carly. A lovely wet egg, straight, and you can see the steam coming off. Little Carly has laid me a fresh egg. Thank you, sweetheart.